Congratulations! You have already taken the first step towards creating the change you want in your life. We all know that nowadays, our lives are jam-packed with numerous to-do lists and we hardly get time for ourselves. Ultimately, various factors like stress, anxiety, depression, exertion, and low self-confidence affect our personal, professional, and social life to a great extent. We keep searching for options that could help us overcome these. Are you going through similar circumstances due to relationship issues, loneliness, anxiety, stress, or concern about your troubled teen that has made your life a vicious circle of endless problems? If this is the case, then you need to pull up your socks, because running away from your problems will not help in any way. But don't worry, you don't need to waste your time and money getting qualified advice. Our highly committed and compassionate counselors provide you a warm and friendly environment where you can share your feelings and get reliable and supportive guidance. Our team of experienced professionals excels in individual counseling, marriage counseling, child, teen, and family counseling, curbing social anxiety, managing low self-esteem, and anger management. We also offer phone counseling and video consultation sessions for both local and non-local clients to help you find your problem areas and solve them amicably. For a free consultation, get in touch with us by following the directions below or giving us a call now. Rest assured, you can live your life the way you want to.